Hello, friend.
Hi.
What is your goal today?
Get 14 average.
And how did it go?
It went amazing. I got a 14 average. I think I got it. Accounting 13, accounting 14, accounting 15. Accounting 15 wasn't great. It might have been a 13 without it, but the times haven't been entered yet, and I can't wait.
So you feel good about it then?
Yes.
I think you're gonna make it to second round. How do you feel?
So. I feel like I can do better than what I did.
Greetings. What is your goal for the competition?
I want to get a sub 40 average and a sub 35 single.
Your goal for any competition should be to win.
Oh, that's not my goal.
Well, you're here for the wrong reasons. Thank you.
I'm gonna be a judge. They said I could. They said you could? I just have to wait for an empty judge space.
Hello, friend.
What's up?
Why are you here so early? Are you familiar with the two-time reigning cube champion?
Yes.
What is your goal today?
Get a 30 or sub 30.
How'd it go?
That was very stressful, but I got a good time for me. That was horrible. One left.
Good luck.
339 to 38 and a 50.
You just competed in your first round ever. How was it?
It was okay.
Care to tell us what your best solve was?
38.
So are you happy about that? We thank you for your detailed answers, sir.
I want to be as fast as the Turtle Cuber. Another goal is that I want to get sub 20s too. I want to go up and learn 4x4, 5x5, 6x6.
Hey, Judge.
Ezekiel Gaming.
And what are you gonna do for him?
DNF every song.
And
+2. And add 10 seconds, even though it's not allowed.
are you a fair judge?
Yeah! You coming to second round looks good. How do you feel? I feel amazing. You forget what a +2 IDNF is, it'll tell you, and it'll tell you how to write it. And back it says all the stuff. And I have my timer. I talked to so many people.
Did you like being a judge?
Yes, best thing in the world.
we're gonna eat.
What'd you get?
No, good with
What?
Do you guys think I can make semifinals?
Yes.
No.
Yes, you can.
Of course. Yeah.
Well, anything's possible.
No.
My only hope is that I don't get an in-perm. This time we're gonna warm up with a 3x3. Semi-finals. I'm coming for you. First half, you do what? Second round. Oh, that would have been another 12 if I hadn't messed up. Let's go. Whoa. What? No. Is that PR? Yes, that's definitely PR. Hey, yo, nice. Yo. What in the world did I just do?
I bet you're gonna make it next.
Yes! I just got an 11-second single, a 12-second single, a 13-second single, a 14-second single, and an 18-second single. What is this?
Is that good?
Yes. Well, I mean, not the 18, but everything else is good. I got a counting 14, a counting 13, and a counting 12. Counting 12. That's crazy. I'm probably not going to make it off for 5x5, but I'll try.
Will you make it to finals?
Maybe. With the help
Yes
of my
or
Sonic
no?
shirt, maybe.
Yes or no?
No.
What?
No. No! I missed 13 and then I plus 2. Really bummed about how the semi-finals went. I was hoping for like a 13 average or something, but I got like a 15. Oh, we got a counting 16 as well. I wish I did better in the semi-finals, but at least I got ice cream.
Reigning Cube champion.
How do you think you did in the first 2 rounds?
Oh, I did amazing. Close ice cream.